Alright, so let's get started. Right now I've got my cook top like heating up. It's hot now. See? So I'm gonna add the garlic first, just because I want to. Got a little bit of garlic, and then immediately in the onions. Right. Now I'm gonna add in a little bit of water so that everything doesn't stick. About a little bit, enough to just, like I said, keep everything from sticking. And then I'm gonna add in some salt to draw water, like a natural water out of the onions. Get everything a nice little stir. And now let that soften. I like my onions super soft, so I mean, if you don't care, add your like bell peppers now, but I like my onions to be softer than the peppers, if that makes sense. Try and get that off the bottom. Try and break up some of these, bigger onion chunks. I'm gonna let that go for maybe like 2 more minutes, and then we'll toss in the bell peppers. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push everything towards the center. I think that's where all this heating is. Alright, I'm gonna be honest, tired of waiting, so I'm just gonna toss in I've got about half like a really big green bell pepper and like 2 small red bell peppers that they need it to cook. So started. I'm gonna turn down the heat just a little bit. A lot of stuff keeps sticking to this thing. And add a little bit more water. Beautiful these colors are. I don't think there's much else in this world that's better smelling or looking than some onions and peppers and some garlic. Like, that's my holy trinity. Once again, I'm gonna push everything towards the center. Make sure everything gets cooked. I'm just gonna let that go for a little bit. So, I'll be back in like a second real time, but like, let's say 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 minutes, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Alright, so onions and peppers I put down like a lot. I may have taken that a little far, but that's okay. Now what we're gonna do is it's time to add the tofu. So for tofu, I'm gonna use a little bit of oil because I don't like to add water into it. I spent enough time trying to get water out of it, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil to the middle of the pan, and then just gonna crumble it with my hands. It's the easiest way. And this is 1 block extra firm tofu. I pressed it for probably about 30 minutes or so. Alright, and before I give it a stir, I'm going to go ahead and season tofu with everything that I want to season with. So I'm going to go in with some onion powder, some garlic powder. I'm just eyeballing this. Just enough, like, I mean, this is how I would cook eggs traditionally too. Well, minus turmeric. Turmeric is strictly, mostly for color. I like the taste. Some people don't. You don't mind that it doesn't look like eggs. Go ahead, don't add it. It's fine. I'm gonna add a little bit of nutritional yeast, about a tablespoon, just to get some B vitamins in here. Some adobo seasoning for some salt, and then some black pepper. I would normally like freshly grind it, but I like a lot of pepper in my tofu scramble, so I'd rather not sit here all day, pepper start cracking. All right. So I'm gonna break up some of these larger pieces with my spatula. And then give everything a good, really good stir. Start incorporating some of the veg in here. Last thing I like to add closer to the end is a little bit of hot sauce of choice. This is what I have. I don't like sriracha for this. I'm thinking like an actual genuine hot sauce. I'm going with some Texas Pete. When I used to eat eggs, I would do about one dab for each egg, but kind of hard to tell what this is even supposed to be anymore. So, you know, just as much as my heart desires. Don't like hot sauce? Leave it out. Technically, you don't have to cook this for that long. I just think that the flavor improves the longer you leave it on the, well, not the longer, but like if you leave it on the heat for a few minutes, I feel like it just always tastes better than if I rush it. So I'm gonna try and cook out some of this excess water. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a little piece of some well-seasoned tofu. Give it a taste. Figure out what it's missing. Definitely needs a little bit more salt. Some salt. I'm also gonna go in with a little bit more of the adobo. It also has salt in it, but like some other stuff. I personally think you can go with a little bit more onion powder as well. I'll go with some onion powder, some more pepper, and a little bit more hot sauce. You say tofu is boring, but you know, season it the right way. It's just like most things that people eat. Starts off kind of bland all by itself, but season it up, cook it the right way. That's all I like. Alright, normally this is the time when I would add like some other things, like usually I like to go in with like some spinach, or if I'm going for like a more southwest feel, like some black beans, but I'm just gonna go all traditional this week. I'm going to serve it over some potatoes, so I will show you that in just a bit. Alright, so I've got my potatoes here. Here is the finished product. It looks like goodness, right? Right? But where it came from? Bean curds and whatever the fuck. Alright, so I'm back with my trusty portionator. That's what I'm gonna call it from now on. And let's get to meal prep then. Cue the time lapse. Just like that, breakfast for the week. Now, sometimes if I'm having like either a lighter lunch or I'm gonna have I'm gonna do a heavy workout, I might eat a piece of toast with this, or like half a bagel, or like a piece of an avocado or something. So, you know, you just have to suit everything to your own needs. So if you don't feel like this is enough calories, bump it up. Add more potatoes, add black beans into this. I wanted to add black beans so bad. But guess who forgot black beans at the store? It was me. It was me. So, yeah. Cue the outro. So, guess who forgot to film the outro? It was me. So what I was gonna say was that this tofu scramble is very versatile. You can use it on its own or maybe as a breakfast burrito. Kind of just add what I meal prepped into a burrito, add some black beans, salsa, maybe a little bit of corn if you're into that type of thing, and bam, breakfast burrito. I have a freezer recipe for that if you're interested. Let me know. Check the description box for approximate measurements. Like, comment, subscribe if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.